I recently joined a Tour Me Away free walk guided tour in Taipei, booked through Klook, and I cannot recommend our guide, Leo, highly enough. Leo was a truly lovely, engaging, and eloquent guide who brought Taiwan's history to life with warmth and passion. From the start, Leo's storytelling skills and deep knowledge made every stop, whether a park, a memorial, or a bustling city street, feel meaningful. He shared not just the facts, but also the significance of each place, connecting Taiwan's local history to its impact on world events. Leo's enthusiasm was infectious, and his ability to answer questions and engage with everyone in the group made the tour both educational and enjoyable. Having a guided tour with someone like Leo is not just a good idea, it's the best. We love Dorothy. She's amazing, smart, very insightful about the history of Taiwan, especially Taipei, and made sure we had the best tour experience. Love this tour arrangement. Though we did lots of walking and weather was hot, 28 degrees, we enjoyed. The tour was so informative. I learned a lot from James, our tour guide. I hope to book more similar tour like this soon when I am back in Taiwan. The tour guide also brought us to a great ice cream shop called Snow King. Also recommended me to a good beef noodle. We enjoyed very much this walking tour primarily because of the insights of our guide, Josie. She is very articulate and can finish 10 words in 2 seconds, and this is good because for 2 hours we got a lot of information from her. Although this is not for the average tourist who is into Instagram poses, I would recommend this because you get a lot of information about Taiwan. This is our first tour in Taiwan. Our tour guide Tyla is very articulate, and I saw her enthusiasm in sharing Taiwan's history with us. We definitely learned a lot, and she offered us the best Taiyu refreshment in the trip. Our recent walking tour of the city with Tyla as our tour guide was an unforgettable experience. Tyla brought the city to life, making the exploration both informative, educational, and fun. Her storytelling style makes the tour interactive and engaging. Love this tour is a geek for history and some inside stories too. This is a good glimpse of how Taiwan got to the present condition. Highly recommended, and it's free. It was my first tour in Taiwan. It was surprisingly fun. We did a lot of walking, so I suggest you wear very comfortable sneakers. The tour was very quick. If you want to come back to take the photos, you can. The tour was very informative, and if they did it on another part of the city, I would book it as well. I met a lot of people. I met a lot of new friends. Elliot was a great guide. He was very knowledgeable about the history of Taipei. He answered questions about Taiwan very clearly and helped us understand how Taiwan came a long way to independence. I learned a lot from his tour. I had an amazing tour. Elliot, our guide, was very knowledgeable, accommodating, and also very friendly with us. Showed us and guided us along the 228-piece park to the Ximending area and helped us learn the historical past of Taipei. Leo was bursting with enthusiasm, knowledge, and energy. This was a great way of getting to know Taiwan's history and old architecture. Love this tour so much. Red heart emoji, definitely worth to do when you're in Taiwan. Taiwan emoji, guide is friendly and timely. Smiley face emoji, got a lot of wonderful memories here. 2 hearts emoji, 2 hearts emoji.